This video shows you how to use our advanced Leap digital chess clocks for lightning tournaments. On. We want program 9, so let's go straight to program 9 using the plus button. Okay, we're at 9. Push tick. Now hold the middle button for 3 seconds. So the hours are flashing. We want 1 second. The other side does it automatically. Let's run through. Now we get to delay. We want delay as 10 seconds. The other side is automatically done. Let's push tick. We're ready. Hold it down. Okay, let's start the match. Let's let one person run out of time. So you see the white player has run out of time, have 0 displayed, and this is displayed, showing they have run out of time and lost on time.